Today we are making fish stew. Us red fish. Started by putting pot on fire. After the pot is hot and oil is added, as you can see, hot here. Hot palm oil ready to see pepper. Little pepper and shake onion and blended. Hot and oil in the pot on fire. Now we need to cook for some time. As you can see here, fire. Afterward, now we are going to cover it. Now you cook. High heat. Now you to cook. High heat. And you go and prepare the fish. Fish today is horse mackerel. That is the fish that some call kote fish in this part of the world. Horse mackerel fish is here. Prepare the fish now. Pour water on the fish. Posing fish. We need to clean up the fish, removing all the special parts of the fish. See the process. So the fish is carefully cleaned, as you can see right here. Right here we have cleaned the fish, and then it's going to get set now for adding to the stew being cooked on fire. See it, thorough cleaning, thorough washing of the fish. That is what's taking place right here. Okay, so the stew had been on fire like 10 minutes now. Check it now, see it. Right, it goes on fire. See right here. Now the fish is being added to the cooked pepper pot. Observe right here. So carefully, fish, fresh fish is lowered stew, boiling stew. Carefully stirred, cover to continue cooking together for minutes, 10 minutes more, 15 minutes. Continue to cook this together. Then later on, you also cover it so that you can see right here now. After cooking for like 10 to 15 minutes more, now added salt, stew. Added salt. You're allowed to cook for some more time, 5 minutes or more. Then, before adding seasoning, you add your seasoning to it also. You can now cover it and allow to cook for 10